This is Kirk the Rooster. It's the 4th of April. We have a big survey going on about the fate and destiny of Kirk. And that'll be finished tomorrow. In the meantime, Kirk's up there now, sitting on top of the 6-foot fence. Maybe he'll fly down for us. Kirk, can you come on down? That's where he perches each night, up there. And whoa, we just captured him in flight. What an amazing rooster. Kirk, you are fantastic. Just fantastic. Could a guy ask for a better rooster? Alright, watch this. Kirk, pick up the insects. Look how he's doing that. I mean, he is trained. Fancy feathers on the back. He might have a little Chinese in him. You can tell he's just not the regular kind of rooster. No, this is special. He's our Easter rooster. Alright, show him your head. And I know, show him how you walk. Yeah, one leg. Oh, is that cool? Oh, God, he knows so many tricks. You're fantastic. You're just fantastic. Yeah. They're blue, aren't they? He must be an Irish rooster. Red hair, green tail feathers, and blue eyes. Oh my gosh, they're fantastic. Yeah. Now we call this the strut, as you can see. And here's your mother. Look who just arrived. Hey, Kirk's mommy. There she is. That's Kirk's mommy.
Where's Kirk?
He's waiting for you, hon. He knows when he hears your engine, and he knows it's you.
Where is he?
It's right behind me.
Ah.
And that's what's left of our rooster sign down there by the mailbox.